That has us dreaming about the summer. And yeah, summer vacation. Yeah, already. I know it's April, but we're kind of looking ahead. Great to have travel writer Natalie Preddie on the couch with us this morning. And Annette normally steals you and talks to you. I'm just like, no, it's my turn to talk to. It's my turn to talk to Preddie. So great to have you.
Thank you for having me.
Never too early to kind of start going,
Absolutely not. So when we're looking at travel trends for 2023, we're looking at people booking way in advance. So a lot of people already have their summer plans booked already. So a few tips. Yes, plan ahead. When do you want to go in the summer? Europe, if you're planning on Italy in August, maybe not a great idea. The whole city shuts down. That's when they're on holiday, or the whole country rather. And I like to say book ahead and book a package if you can. So
even for Europe?
So you know what? Packages for Europe can be good because you'll get your transfers in.
Right.
But let me tell you, I know Air Canada Vacations has a package deal on now. So if you're going to Mexico, Caribbean, Hawaii, California, or a cruise this summer, savings of $200 per kid. And we were talking about points earlier, 2,000 Aeroplan points per member. And that includes a checked bag and transfers. And book that until April 16th.
Which is
next week.
Next week. Okay.
So yes, so we're booking that. Now, we're talking
It's fun when you get it on points. You're just like, points.
I know, and those airplane points, and the amount of things you can pay for with them, oh my gosh, amazing. So I always say as well, check with your hotel when you're traveling somewhere to see what they have on site. So if you're traveling with kids,
do we have to?
You don't, if you have to bring the kids along for summer vacation.
Summer vacations for them.
Summer vacation.
Right, okay.
Right. If you have to bring them, some places will have cribs, bottles, strollers, bottle warmers. If you're traveling without kids, they'll have hair straighteners, hair dryers. This really helps with packing.
Well, we know how much stuff they have, right? And like the stroller's the big one, right? If you don't want to be checking that stroller.
No, especially if it's a two-piece.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So I always say definitely call ahead with your hotel. That will save you from overpacking, which is so easy to do.
Okay. Pre-booking your seats?
Pre-booking your seats, exactly, because airlines don't guarantee that you're going to sit with your family anymore, which for me sounded like a great idea.
I was going to say, I'm just like, that's perfect. They're at the front, I'm at the back.
Are you guys okay up there? Excellent.
You just put some sunglasses and a hat on.
You know what?
Just like, keep that kid down in front there, will you?
Absolutely. We flew to Costa Rica. My husband and father sat at the front of the plane. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, they watched Wakanda. It was glorious. But yeah, if you pre-book your seats, you're more likely to sit together. And also pre-booking those excursions, I always say as well. So you want to go on the boat tour, go on the boat tour. Book it ahead of time. But because as you know, when you're traveling with kiddos, a tantrum, a diaper explosion, make sure that financially they can be refunded if you need to.
Because because you need to be flexible. Because I know, are you a planner? Like I'm getting in as I get there in age, I kind of want to know what we're doing and organize, especially when you have little people.
Yes.
But the flexibility, like some of these excursions, you can get refunds on them.
Absolutely, absolutely.
If it doesn't work out.
And you've got to. And that's what I say, like plan. As you know, with kids, you have to have some sort of skeleton itinerary, just so you know, okay, we're getting picked up, we're going to do this on this day, we're going to do this on this day. But above all, you have to have that flexibility, and everything is going to take longer than you thought it would. Breakfasts are going to take longer. Toilet breaks are going to take longer. What's the saying? You don't know what you don't know. Yeah, this is going to be something you could not plan. This happened to me in Fiji. Both boys had to go to the bathroom right as we sat down for dinner, and it was just a disaster.
Are you out of diapers yet? Do you have
I've still got one still in diapers.
Still one in diapers.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's still good to have them in diapers. When you're out, because then you do got to take them to the bathroom.
Exactly, exactly.
Where are you off to next?
Dubai.
Whoa, when's that?
At the end of the month.
I'm
heading there. Yeah, I'm trying out the new Emirates A380.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm excited. So we'll be back to talk about that?
Absolutely.
Okay, because we're off to Italy in May.
I know, I'm so excited.
Yeah, no kids. All right.
Oh my gosh.
So we'll tell you all about that.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right, we got to go. More Morning Live coming up on your Thursday right after this.